Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now in this session we will understand how you can create a Google form and how you can send it to 10 users. It's a practical experiment in the digital fluency and I have given the reference 2.8 in my book. In digital fluency in 2.8 there is a Google form details on page number 98. Understand what is Google Form. So Google Form is a free Google application which will allow you to quickly create and distribute a form to gather the information. Now you don't want the physical information to be gathered. Your applicants or students or employees are scattered and you want to collect the information from them. So the Google application will give you to create a quick form and you can distribute that form among your participants, students, customers and gather the information. And whatever the responses they give, all the responses are saved in Google spreadsheet in your Google Drive. And as you know that the Google Drive is a free, you don't need to pay anything for the Google Drive. It is a web based office suite and the data storage service offered by the Google. Now there is a description I gave in the Kannada also. Those who wants to read it in Kannada, so they may go they may follow this digital fluency book. It is available in the market. So digital fluency, it's a skill enhancement course 1 paper as per the NEP syllabus of all the universities of Karnataka. So jointly written by me and Dr. Halapgod Prithviraj. So publisher is Sri Siddhalingeshwar Prakashan Gulbarga. Now moving back to the same contents. So it's a Google form you can create free of cost. I have mentioned the steps also. Those who are not knowing the computers and their smartphones very well, they may also follow these steps to create these Google forms. Okay, so first of all open your Google Chrome and go to the Drive. So I have already opened it. So let me go to Google and there is a Google Apps button is there. So I have already logged in, right? So my DP is there. So I have already logged in, no need of login once again. And if you are not logged in, so kindly log in your Gmail ID, then you will be getting this Google app. Click on this Google app. You will be getting the various Google apps. So here you have so many options here, right? So go to Drive as I mentioned here, right? So go to your Google Drive, okay, and then select the new, more and Google Forms. Okay, let me show you here. It is taking bit more time. Yeah, so here there will be a new button. So click on this new button and once you click you will be getting these options like new folder, file upload, folder upload. There is a Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slides, Google Forms. So I'm talking about the Google Forms. I will select this Google Form. The corresponding menu will appear. In this corresponding menu you can find blank form is there, quiz form is there and template option is there. So I will start with this blank form. So blank form will be created. if you find my YouTube channel, you can get this Google form. How you can create the Google form video is available in my channel. You can go through that video or you can follow this video. So I have already mentioned all the step-by-step points here, so you can follow these steps even though it's available in Kannada. So ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಹಂತ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶೋನ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ದ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. Right, so editing Google Forms, you will be getting these option blank and all other. Right, so you can choose, you can edit the form, you can type the untitled form. So untitled, you can give the title, you can give the description, then you can type the options. So everything is explained step by step. Right, so you can see. So I have typed the header as placement survey form. Now I will back to my Google form. Now you can see. So once I click the Google form, right, so blank form, so this is my blank form, untitled form. So when I click on untitled form, I can change it. Right, so I can change it and I can type what kind of heading I want for this form, what I want to collect it from my participants or from my students. Let me say that it's a feedback form. Feedback form. Right, so it's a feedback form. Form description is there. I will type faculty feedback form of Om Siddhi Vinayak Degree College, Bidar. So I am typing like this. So the description, whatever you want, you can type it. You can make it bold. Just select it, click on bold. It will be bold. Okay, now next is your untitled question. So what question you want to type here? Say let me say who is the father of computer? Okay, who is the father of computer? So it's a multiple choice question, so I need to have 4 options here. Let's say Blaise Pascal, it's the first option. Now here, to get the second option, add option. So just click here, simply click here, you will be getting option number 2 and you can type like Charles Babbage. Okay, third option, say John von Neumann. Right, John von Neumann. Say Joseph Marie Jacquard. So I have these 4 options. Among these, which one is correct? So this one is correct, right? Okay, so you can make it a required question. So whenever respondent attempt this question, it will be mandatory for him or her. If you don't want to make it mandatory, just don't click on this required. If you click on required, so if it turns to this purple color, so it is mandatory, and it doesn't turn to purple color means it's not mandatory. Okay, so just I have added one question here. So similarly you can add multiple questions here. Now simply if I click on preview, I can view this form, how it appears. So this is how it appears. Okay, I can choose any of the option like this, and I can click on submit to submit the form. Okay, so just click this tab, close the tab. Okay, I can have the next question, right? So for next question I can click add question. The next question will be here. So let me say expand or full form of RAM. Full form of RAM. Let me say RAM. Okay, it's a random access memory rotation access memory read access memory none of these. Like this I can add few more questions also. Okay, now here you have multiple choice. You can go for checkbox also, drop down also, you can add file uploads also, you can get the short answers and paragraphs also. It's left to you what kind of question you want. Okay, so this is the second one, I have added it. Okay, so let me just change the form color. I will click on this custom theme. So text to text color, everything is there. So background color, I can change the background color like this. I can make some changes into the color. So this color, this is the background color, so I'm changing the background color also. So for this header you can choose the image from here. When you click on choose image, there will be a set of themes available. You can upload it from browsing from your computer also, right? So click on the browser. So browser dialog box appears. In dialog browser you can select any of the image and you can upload it here. So I have clicked it, so we have to wait for few seconds. Now it is getting a bit slow. All these explanation, everything is given in my digital fluency book, so anyone can follow the book and the steps given in the book, and they may create the Google Forms and they can make any kind of designs. Like here I have given all the details, like adding the description. It is getting a bit slow. Yeah, now this is the open dialog box which I am getting. I can choose any image and that image is applied to the header of the form. Okay, so you can choose any of the image. So let me, here I will show you the themes. So these themes are available. You can choose any of the theme. let me choose this one right now and just click on this button insert, so that theme will be applied to your header. Assume that you have any header related to your college, related to your organization. That image you can choose and that will be displayed here along with the logo and the name of the organization. So if you see the print preview, if you send to the user, so user can get this form, right? User can get this form. Now you can save this form, right? So you can mention the title of your form. You can save it to your Google Drive where you want to save. So these are my different folders are available, right? So you may save it in any of these folder. Let me save in classroom, move to classroom, and this feedback form is saved into my classroom folder. And coming to the send option, when you click on this send option, you will be getting this send form. In the send form you can see send via mail, so you can enter the mail ID so that you can send to the different users. Okay, like I have pbh234355. I can type the mail IDs, and when I click on send, all the links of the form will be shared among all these mail IDs. And if you want to share through social media, through WhatsApp groups or through messages, you can click on this link. You can see this symbol, click on this link, right? So you will be getting the link of this Google form. You can shorten the URL by clicking this button. So your Google form is shortened, your link is shortened, so you can make the copy of it. So press Ctrl+C to copy it. So you can copy it, or you can click on this copy button, right? You can able to copy it, right? And just click on close. You can open your social media groups, or you can open your WhatsApp group, and you can paste it there, and you can send to the number of users, right? So this is how you can create the Google form. This is all about how you can go through the Google form and how you can create the Google form in your Google Drive. So this is the third experiment what we have in the digital fluency. As I said that all the steps are given like this, multiple choice questions will be there. You can go through one by one. So all the details are already given in the book. You can follow the book. You can able to add the question. You can add the new question, right? Adding new question, making it duplicate. You can delete it. You can make it mandatory from here, right? See, I have mentioned all the options here. Right, so this is how you can create the Google form. In the next video we will talk about how you can schedule a virtual meeting and invite the people to join the Google Meet or Zoom Meet. It is already given in 2.9 section and 2.10 section of my digital fluency book. And even though the fifth experiment, that is record the virtual meeting, chatting and sharing the document or presentation on virtual meet, that is on 2.9 and 2.10. so it is already given. So kindly refer my book for all these experiments, and we will be coming with the next video on creating a hotspot from mobile phone and allowing other user to use the hotspot. So thank you for watching.